What's going on, everybody? My name is Scott, and welcome to the Life of Scott, my YouTube channel. So, first of all, if you guys are not already subscribed, please go and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button for this video. I want to also mention that I am using my gaming computer, which is under $1,000 and one of the best gaming computers I've ever bought. You can see the link in my description and see my unboxing video of this computer, and we're going to show you how it handles Fortnite and everything. So to get Fortnite for free for your computer, go to epicgames.com. Once you're on the home page, you're going to want to click Get Epic Games, and it's going to bring up the installer and then install Epic Games. Then you're going to want to create an account, so then you can go under Fortnite. So if you click or if you hover over the Epic Games right here, go to Fortnite. It'll bring up Fortnite, and then you can click over here, download, and you can sign up or sign in with any account that you have listed right here. I just simply created a new Epic Games account instead of signing in with any other account. So once you sign in, you can go from there as well. Once you download the Epic Games launcher, this is what it'll look like, and you can install all these other cool, fun games. So Fortnite right now, it's updating, so you'll either have it updated and it'll be ready to play, or you'll update and have to wait. It takes a little time, but still not too big of a deal because this game is so much fun, guys, and for free, you can't beat it. Now, so guys, stay tuned because we are going to get playing, and I'm going to show you how to play this game with this computer. And the great thing about this computer, it comes with Windows Game Bar, so you don't got to be spending all your money on fraps or another gaming recording device. It's already pre-built with Windows Game Bar, and it saves it in high quality. It is so perfect, and it's amazing. I have fraps and a couple others. I don't use them anymore because this saves and compresses the file low enough but in high enough quality that it's just perfect. So I'll be showing you guys that game bar and show you how Fortnite runs on maximum settings with this computer. So for a gaming computer under $900, in fact under $800 in some cases if you can find a good deal, yeah, you can run Fortnite with the highest quality settings possible. So guys, stay tuned. What's up, guys? So we disabled the VSync, and now we're getting a whole lot more frames per second, so I recommend having this off and play with Epic with this computer. Unlimited frame rate. So we're gonna move the game bar here, so I'll show you guys. So much better, no lag. This is definitely one of the best computers I've ever owned, and for the price, you really cannot beat it. So we gotta go where no one is. So let's try and head out. So we're looking at around 80 frames per second right now. 70. Now we're at 70. So about 75 frames per second, so it's running at maximum. Alright, we're gonna wanna head out of here soon. Ooh, there we go. Alright, let's get this and get out of here. Once we're safe, I guess we should use it. So 60 frames per second still, so it's holding out good, and we're having no lag when the frames go up. So again, guys, this is one of my favorite computers, and for the price, you really can't beat it. Hopefully we can get, so we got a minute and 40 seconds, give or take. Man, we were really far off. Alright, so there we go. Let's go this way for a shortcut, hopefully. But we're also going to have to cross through that town, which I'm not really wild over, because I'm sure there's people in here camping somewhere until the very end. Alright, we're safe for now. We're going to keep pushing forward. Looks like 39 players still left in the game. And all of our weapons are pretty much junk, so... What is that? So, what is this? Anyone know it? Okay. No idea what that was, but... Alright, we're gonna keep pushing forward. You know what? Oh, we hear some guys around here. Most of all the items probably going to be taken. I see a chest was taken up there. Oh, there's someone. If we can keep them in our radar. Now, where did they go? So, as you guys can see, no issues with there. Oh, they got us. Well, guys, that was a good test for you guys to see. No lag or no issues. And also, guys, it would mean a lot to me if you go subscribe to my channel. And also, click the little icon here to turn on notifications. That way, anytime I upload a new video, you guys get to see it. So, thank you guys very much, and enjoy the rest of the video, or check out all my other videos.